You got to worry about everything, man. That's the thing that's great about the woods is that it's a human reset. When you're like legitimately out in the mountains, it's a human reset, right? Because you realize like, no one gives a fuck. Everything here is trying to do their thing. Right. The bulls are literally killing each other to fuck.
So what do you do in that situation?
They grow weapons every year.
That's what they compete.
They kill each other.
I didn't know they attack each other.
That's all they do.
The males will there'll be competition. Whoever wins is the dominant male. That's the female will wait.
And make two bulldogs fighting.
Whenever she's in seat or whatever, that's when male competition happens. She's saying, I'm going to choose the dominant male because I want the strongest genes for my offspring.
Yeah.